Today, Alex is making a furnace-based XP farm by growing cactus and bamboo. The items required to make this farm are listed here. He has dug out a hole which is 11 by 43 and is 19 blocks deep. Both farms will be fully automatic. The bamboo will be used to make fuel for the furnace, while the cactus will be smelted in the furnace, making green dye. In theory, to keep a single furnace running non-stop, the farm would require 110 cacti and 62 bamboo. In this case, more of both will be produced to ensure the furnace is always running. This farm can also be used to collect bamboo, cactus, or green dye, should Alex ever need any in his future builds. Alex begins by building the disposal mechanism to discard the green dye after it is made in the furnace. This consists of a downward-facing dropper that points into a lava-filled cauldron. A hopper points into the dropper, and the dropper is triggered with an observer clock. The observer clock could be left permanently on, but Alex uses a comparator to turn off the clock when the dropper is empty. Alex then places the furnace. In front of the furnace, Alex places a solid block and a lever, which lets him turn the hopper under the furnace off, so green dye can stay in the furnace. Furnace-based XP systems will accumulate XP even though the output is no longer in the furnace. But in order for Alex to receive the accumulated XP in the furnace, he will need to temporarily stop the hopper and remove a single output from the furnace. This will reward Alex not just with the XP of the single item, but all the items which were smelted until that point. The space Alex has dug out will be split in half. One side will be the cactus farm, while the other will be a bamboo farm. While it is possible to smelt bamboo sticks directly, it is better to convert the bamboo to planks, as the same amount of bamboo will smelt significantly more items. Therefore, Alex adds 2 crafters to the bamboo farm, facing towards the double chest, which will first convert the bamboo into a block and then from a block into a plank. An observer clock will trigger both crafters, including the one adjacent to the clock. Alex builds the platform for the hopper minecart on the bamboo farm. He then builds the platform for the cactus farm. The platform will have water flows placed at the very end, which will push all the cactus into the hoppers. In order to ensure that the water flows do not interfere with one another, Alex will place open fence gates over the hoppers. On the bamboo farm, Alex places regular and powered rail onto the platform he has constructed. The bamboo farm will consist of 2 farms, one on top of the other, each home to 32 bamboo. The platform is therefore 18 blocks long and 2 blocks wide. Alex powers the rail with a solid block and lever on both sides of the platform and adds a hopper minecart. Alex adds the open fence gates over the hoppers in the Cactus farm. On the bamboo farm, Alex adds grass blocks over the powered rail, 32 grass blocks in total. This is where the bamboo will be planted. On the Cactus farm, Alex places upper slabs on every other space in the farm, creating a 9x5 grid. Over each upper slab, he places a sand block. This is where the cactus will be planted. Alex plants the cactus. On the bamboo farm, after having left a 1-block space above the grass, Alex adds pistons facing towards the grass on both sides. He adds a solid block behind the pistons. Above the planted cactus, specifically in the space between each cactus, Alex adds glass panes, as presented here. The panes of glass have the important function of causing the cactus to break off whenever it grows, as cactus and other blocks cannot be placed next to each other without breaking the cactus. On the bamboo farm, Alex places redstone dust over the solid blocks behind the pistons and adds observers facing towards the grass blocks. Whenever the bamboo grows to the height of the observer will trigger a redstone pulse, which will cause the pistons to break the bamboo. Once broken, the bamboo will be collected by the hopper minecarts under the grass blocks. Once the observers are placed, Alex plants the bamboo onto the grass. The first level of the bamboo farm is completed, and Alex will repeat this design a second time, above the first bamboo farm. The first level of the cactus farm is also completed, and Alex will add 2 more layers of cactus in exactly the same way that he added the first layer. Alex adds lanterns over the bamboo farm to stop hostile mobs from spawning in the farm. The 3 layers of cactus have been placed in the farm, and Alex adds a roof over it. With the second level of the bamboo farm being complete, all that remains is to add the water flows to the cactus farm. He places water source blocks along the 2 sides of the long end of the farm. With that, the farm is done. Alex tests the XP furnace, flips the lever, and removes a single green dye. He flips the switch on the lever a second time and lets the furnace accumulate more XP. Success! Alex now has XP, which he can use to place enchantments on his tools, weapons, and armor. As the farm is unattractive, Alex covers the farm, so it cannot be seen by visitors to his base. He adds a single trapdoor entrance to the farm, so he can visit the furnace whenever he is in need of XP. Join Alex at Noob Friendly and make your own furnace-based XP farm. We look forward to seeing you.